Hi kids! Today, let's explore some amazing special aircraft. Fighter jet. A fast military plane used for defense. Stealth bomber. A plane that is invisible to radar. Cargo plane. A large aircraft that carries heavy goods. Helicopter. A flying machine that takes off vertically. Space shuttle. A spacecraft that goes to space and back. Glider. A plane that flies without an engine. Seaplane. A plane that can land on water. Drone. A small, remote-controlled flying machine. Private jet. A small, luxury airplane. Firefighting plane. A plane that drops water on fires. Experimental aircraft. New planes designed for the future. Rescue helicopter. A helicopter used for emergencies. Hot air balloon. A balloon that floats using hot air. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.